वेलकम टू प्रेप पिक योर पिक टू गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम सक्सेस। आज के क्लास में है फरवरी मंथ के करंट अफेयर्स जो ये मैं पार्ट 1 कवर कर रही हूँ। आज मैंने ऑल एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चन कलेक्ट किए हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द न्यू ट्रेंड व्हाट दे आर आस्किंग। ये क्लास इंपॉर्टेंट है बैंक, एसएससी, रेलवे, इंश्योरेंस, स्टेट एग्जाम स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। सो हमारा चैनल के एम है स्टडी स्मार्टली। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। Our first question is the Network Readiness Index 2025, released or updated in Feb 2026, saw the US topping the list while the India rank is. So, what is the rank of India? And the answer here is option number B. It's 45th. To the Network Readiness Index 2025, India rank is 45th. और रैंकिंग हमारे लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है you know that right. Second question, with which organization did the Digital India Bhasini Division DIBD sign an MOU to digitalize geographical place names? And the answer here is option number D. It's Survey of India. Third question, during the 5th Indian Namibia Foreign Office consultation, which sector was not explicitly mentioned as the point of strategic cooperation? And the answer here is option number B. It's space technology. They mention about health, agriculture, and defense, not space. Fourth question, which national initiative is the Granth Kutir at the Rashtrapati Bhavan aligned with for preserving India's manuscript heritage? And the answer here is option number C. It's Gyan Bharatam Mission. Fifth question, who has been selected for the Subhas Chandra Bose National Award for Disaster Management 2026 in the individual category? And the answer here is option number A. It's Lieutenant Colonel Sita Ashok Silke. Sixth question was, in which city will the 7th Indian International Seaweed Expo and Summit be held? And the answer here is option number A. It's Kochi. Seventh question was, what is the theme for the World National Voters Day 2026? And the answer here is option number B. It's My India, My Vote. Eighth question was, where was the rare worm-like amphibian Genie Phobis Valmiki recently discovered by Indian scientists? And the answer here is option number D. It's Northwestern Ghats. Ninth question, which company conducted the first ever medical evacuation mission for the International Space Station ISS? And the answer here is option number A. It's SpaceX. 10th question, which team won the men's final of the 5th LG Cup Ice Hockey Championship in Ladakh? And the answer here is option number B. It's ITBP. And the 11th question was, which Indian naval sailing vessel reached Muscat to mark the 70th anniversary of India-Oman diplomatic relations? And the answer here is option number B. It's INSV Kondinia. 12th question, which fintech company received NPCI approval to operate as the third-party application provider TPAP under UPI? And the answer here is option number B. It's Jet. 13th question, who is the first woman CRPF officer from Rosari to lead an all-male contingent at the Republic Day Parade? And the answer here is option number B. It's Simran Bala. 14th question, according to the WEF white paper, India ranked in which position for the historical accumulated AI investment relative to GDP? And the answer here is option number B, it's 8th. 15th question was, who has been appointed as the chairperson of PFRDA Strategic Assist Allocation and Risk Governance SAARG panel? And the answer here is option number A. It's Narayan Ramchandran. Nowadays उन लोग बहुत अपॉइंटमेंट पूछे तो ये वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट अपॉइंटमेंट बन जाता है हमारे ऑल इंश्योरेंस एंड बैंक एग्जाम के लिए. 16th question, the AIFF has appointed Emila Valverde as the head coach of which team? And the answer here is option number B. She was appointed to the senior Indian women's football team. 17th question, Group Captain Subhanshu Shukla was awarded which honor for his role in Axiom mission to the ISS? And the answer here is option number A, it's Ashok Chakra. 18th question, which Indian state has declared 2026 as the year of agriculture? And the answer here is option number A, it's Madhya Pradesh. 19th question, the largest multi-sports stadium in Assam is being inaugurated in which city? And the answer here is option number D, it's Dibrugarh. 20th question, which Indian Coast Guard ships visit the port of Colombo recently to enhance maritime cooperation? And the answer here is option number D, it's ICGS Varha and ICGS Atulya. 21st question, which nation replaced Bangladesh in the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026? And the answer here is option number B, it's Scotland. 22nd question, what is the total financial assistance approved by the World Bank for the Jal Sanrakti Haryana project? And the answer here is option number A, it's rupees 5,700 crore. 23rd question, the late Ajit Pawar, who died in the plane crash, held which political position in Maharashtra? And the answer here is option number B. He was the deputy chief minister. 24th question, what does the Atmanirbhar option in Bharat AXS Swabhiman retirement plan allow? And the answer here is option number B. They allow emergency withdrawals. 25th question, users can now order grocery and food on Swiggy using which AI agent? And the answer here is option number C. They can use ChatGPT, Claude, and Google Gemini. 26th question, under the NPS Swasthya pension scheme, subscribers can transfer up to what percentage of contribution to the health dedicated fund? And the answer here is option number B. It's 30%. 27th question, what percentage of trade value from India exports to the EU, which has tariffs dropped under the new India EU FTA? And the answer here is option number B. It's more than 99%. 28th question, by 2035, India's demand for lithium-ion batteries is projected by the Niti Aayog to reach what level? And the answer here is option number C. It's 248 gigawatt hour. 29 question, which ministry signed an MOU with JEPCO to facilitate online access to traditional medicines? And the answer here is option number D. It's Ministry of Ayush. 31st question, who was elected as the new president of Olympic Council of Asia OCA in 2026? And the answer here is option number A. It's Sheikh John bin Ahmed Al Thani. 32nd question, the Department of Post sign an agreement with which entity to provide access to capital market services? And the answer here is option number D. It's Stock Holding Service Limited SSL. 33rd question, where is the smart integrated fishing harbor funded 100% by the center being built? And the answer here is option number A. It's Mayabandar, Andaman and Nicobar Island. 34th question, Wings India 2026 was inaugurated at which location? And the answer here is option number C, is Betupat Airport, Hyderabad. 35th question, how many days is the Bharat Parva 2026 festival scheduled for at the Red Fort? And the answer here is option number C, it is for 6 days. 36th question, the 12th Smile International Film Festival for Children and Youth SIFFCY was held in which city? And the answer here was option number C, it is held in New Delhi. 37th question, who will be honored with the Padma Pani Award at the 11th Ajanta Ellora International Film Festival? And the answer here is option number C, it's Ilyari Raja. 38th question. Which state police force become the 15th overall in India to receive the President Police Color Nishan? And the answer here is option number B. It's Sikkim Police. 39th question. Dr. Chandrakant Leharia won the Wiley Research Heroes Prize 2025 in which category? And the answer here is option number D. It's Best Young Researcher. 40th question. The Indian Army signed an MOU with which institution to develop a fully indigenous AI based system? And the answer here is option number D. It's IISc Bangalore. So the 41st question was under which article of the Constitution is the appropriation bill required for withdrawing money from the Consolidated Fund of India? And the answer here is option number B. It's Article 114. 42nd question. In 2026, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented which number budget of her career? And and the answer here is option number C. It was the 9th budget she presented. 43rd question. What is the first Kartavya guiding principle of the government Sankalp mission is in budget 2026? And answer here is option number D. It accelerated and sustained economic growth. ऑलरेडी मैंने बजट 2026 का फुल वीडियो ले चुका है मैंने टॉप 50 एमसीक्यूज करा चुका है प्लीज गो थ्रू दैट आपका फैब बजट का पूरा रिवीजन हो जाएगा Then 44, the Subhash Chandra Bose National Award for the Disaster Management 2026 is the institutional category was given to, and the answer here is option number B. It's Sikkim SDMA. So the 45th question is in the WEF AI sovereignty report, which two countries led the ranking in AI investment relative to GDP? And the answer here is option number C. It's USA and Singapore. 46th question. The fifth round of India Namibia Foreign Office consultation was co chaired by whom? And the answer here is option number A. It's Janesh Kane. 47th question. The National Geographical Name Information System NGNIS is being enhanced through which AI technology? And the answer here is option number B. It's Bhasini. 48th question. Who is the current Director General of the CRPF? And the answer here is option number C. It's Gyanendra Pratap Singh. 49th question. What was the total value of UPI transaction in January 2026? And the answer here is option number C. It's 28.33 lakh crore. The last, the 15th question. Where has the fifth Rosuma Orange Festival recently begun? And the answer here is option number C. It's Nagaland. इसके साथ ही हमारा टॉप 50 द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फैब मंथ करंट अफेयर्स कंप्लीट होता है जो पार्ट 1 है और बाकी मैं पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 पार्ट 3 पार्ट 4 जल्द ही लेके आऊंगी ताकि आपके रिवीजन में बहुत बेनिफिट हो सके जैसे कि 28 जैन को हमारा OICL मेंस हो रहा है उसके रिलेटेड भी मैं एक सेशन लाऊंगी जो इंश्योरेंस बेस्ड होगा द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इंश्योरेंस बेस्ड ऑल द क्वेश्चंस और वैसे आप जुड़े रहिए और आपको अगर कंटेंट अच्छा लग रहा है तो डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू योर चैनल प्रेपिक थैंक यू सो मच